Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to do an experiment to explain why it's very important to clean up your hands with soap, and we are going to do an experiment that you can repeat with kids. The ingredients we are going to need are very simple and you have it already in your home. We need some water, pepper and soap and a dish. With this we can do the experiment and show the kids why it's important to clean up the hands properly. What you have to do is to pour some water in a dish. Ingredient: pepper. La la la. La la la. Okay, this represents germs, virus and bacteria. And now we are going to check what happens if we put our finger there without cleaning the hands first with soap, without soap. Put your finger here. Oh, show your finger to the camera. Show your finger. Oh, it's dirty. What happens? Why is dirty? Why?
Why?
Why? It's dirty. You want to try again with soap? Okay, let's put some soap in your finger. Now put your finger in the dish. Let's see what happened with the germs and bacteria. Look! And remove your finger now. Put your finger.
Okay.
Yes, put it. Look! The germs and the bacteria and the viruses run away. Okay, remove your finger. Okay, let's show your finger now. The other side of your finger. Okay, now it's clean. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.